And I know say when you reach pastor, pastor and human being, maybe we still no sha. Pastor fake you okay. Yeah, I need to film this video. My children also enter house now. Pastor fake he old kidnap. My people, this one shook me. Oh. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Yes, if you like this house, please always come and watch my video. As you subscribe, always come and watch my video, please. Okay, I can't wait to be reading your own opinion. What do you think about this? Our pastor, hey, one news come aside though about pastor fake own kidnap, pastor fake your kidnap, and collect 600,000 ransom from members. Hey, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Ah, no, not come for me. Oh, now my own laugh, I dey laugh. I beg if it dey pain you, I beg go find your own laugh. Eh? See, I don't do video today. Today I do editorial video when I will publish tomorrow. Now today, this video, maybe next tomorrow I'll publish it because I don't know. Tomorrow I'll be busy all through. And I do live stream today. I just go quick put because I know that tomorrow I go busy all three. Okay, pastor fake in all kidnap my people. A jokes-based pastor, a jokes. This one happened for Nigeria for jokes. A jokes-based pastor has been arrested by operative of the Plateau State Police Command for staging his kidnap and demanding ransom from members of his poverty. Come on, pastor. What do you want buy? You want buy car? We want to carry your wife. This one they funny, my people. For me, it look funny. Our pastor will come say, okay, maybe a fake of a miracle, no favor, and I can say, I have idea. I have idea. You know those children cartoon you go did watch. My children will say, mommy, I have idea. Those children cartoon because they learn for there. Now pastor, jokes pastor for Nigeria, jokes. He sit down, he say, my wife, fake miracle. I don't see no. And I don't know how to enter. And those people when they enter, I wish I say opportunity for enter. I don't see now. I beg I go leave the news. Me, I don't feel read the news because anytime they watch it, they make me they laugh. Eh? Pastor, hey, this word, don't they deep. Oh. This one don't they pass my throat. I go look at pastor story. I go look at pastor. That's all now that they talk news. That's all that they that's what that no, not verse. No, sorry. Eh? This one, I pastor when he shook my liver. I come. If he shook my throat, he said, oh. Pastor. A just-based pastor for Nigeria. A fake miracle. You know, fake miracle. A fake kidnapper. If pastor can go extend, me na wait oh. You know, so once we don't still laugh, finish, we'll still come to our own. Oh, now they say, once we still come, I'm sorry for that. Yes, I try to support my sister. Once we see something like this, pastor faking his own, kidnap. This one a kidnap. I don't understand. I don't know how to say my people. Now drop in a comment in the comment. What you na say cause now? Opu I want be like pastors when have cars. Or because those days when they go church, Assembly of God, when I smile, I follow mama, they go church, an Assembly of God. Those days, many of them know they get a cow. Yes, because they pause them. They'll pause this one account today, tomorrow they'll change it. They'll pause another one account today, tomorrow. You know, those days they know they get cow. Now leg they take they work out. They'll use leg come your heart. They'll preach. If anything, then they'll go. They'll pray with you. But those days now, they want ride it. I believe in a car. I don't know, because how could you just as a pastor, you a pastor when the congregation, I be what they call them congregation. When they look, hey, pastor, this is the dream I have. Oh, pastor, see how much when I get. Oh, pastor, no, let you want no eat am. Oh, hey, mama, pastor, pastor, see what I get. Oh, now pastor say, this my member. Many of them, this one say, see how much you don't get. Now, pastor, what I want you to do? Maybe now waiting they cost her now. Pastor, see how much I don't get. I want to they lay foundation. I'm coming for you. Then I'm sorry. They laugh too much on this video. I'm so sorry because the thing they make me they laugh. I'm sorry. I'm draw them all those my laugh. The thing they make me they laugh. Me I serious once. Yes. Now pastor suffering just say, what I want to do? I saw those my members, they come. Pastor, I want to start to build house. So, Pastor, I don't get this kind of money because many of our many of our Nigeria people, our Africa people, they believe in pastor more than God when even create they come this world. No come from you. Many of them, they believe in their pastor more than the God who creates them, who bring them come this world. Yes. Pastor can't go, in fact, setting all kidnap my beautiful children, they are back. How are you, my love? Oh, yeah, come. Pastor, my people, pastor, he can't see and reach kidnap, tell he members. Now police enter saying, this one a pastor. Now they find out saying a pastor. Now by self arrange to collect money for a members hand. Maybe now the church when get member, don't they agree they pay tithes. Maybe don't they agree they do anything. Maybe now $1 dollar. Now, you know go work, pastor. Those your member when they do your church, not be work that they make their money. You know they work. If now maybe they come tell you, say how much when they make. Now they pay you. You know they work. You the pastor when they look me so. You know they work. And now you can't go fake. Okay, if they don't consider the 600,000 bring come out, or maybe na church money, you want because you know if you chop that church money, they hold you. Now that one, now make you fake your kidnap. Maybe in a different way. Or maybe one buy car, maybe they carry members, they go. I know I don't want to laugh again. Well, you say they carry members, they go church. I don't know. And when pastor come, they fake it, kidnap. They will cover a face. They will not cover a face. They will open fakes now. Maybe we see them. As far as I bring, I'm not pardon the noise. My children just come back. I need to go meet. I need to quick film this video. And what you think for this one? When pastor they try to do, and my advice go to we the members, we go church. Please, if you make money, not just they confirm the pastor. Pastor not be God. Pastor na human being like me and you. Pastor can be tempted. Pastor, anything can happen. Yes, anything can happen. Pastor na human being for me and you. When you know say you go see money, how should I me get this money for you to do something? See, remember, now so pastor be. Then when you just go meet pastor, go open up to some of now. My husband not they near me some of now. My husband it's not the what some of now. Then pastor go call look you say you fan say maybe no fit chop this one chop am. No, now be careful. No, know what I discuss with all those pastors. They are human being. They are human being. Believe in your God and believe in yourself and believe what God will do for you. Not believe in human being like you. Pastor, they are human being. Yes, pastor and human being. On the mind say, yes, I believe, I love some pastor, I like some prophet pastor, but they are human being like me and you. No, you know, nobody is free for mistake. We born to make a mistake and to admit our mistake. Yes, nobody is perfect in this world. Pastor and human being like me and you. Let's not forget that. Pastor and human being. If you put billions in this my room, now you put pastor inside. What do you expect? Pastor want buy jet. Pastor want buy Lamborghini. Pastor want live that big life when they see people they live. Forget the Bible when they hold. It's said by the grace of God to see a genuine pastor when nothing go feel attract. That will be their self. That will be humble till they pass on. Yes, I can boast of one. Prophet T.B. Joshua. Yes, no come for me. Yes, I see her in humility when it start and when it go. As it start and so it still go. We not see office. We not see everything. He remain humble. He humble himself till the last day. How many pastors will they see like that? Few, very few. Okay. Don't let anything, and if you are human being, they watch me, don't let anybody think they enter your eye. Believe in yourself and believe in your hustle. Yes, one day we get there. Whether pastor or you not be pastor. Pastor, they are just human being. Whether pastor or normal person like me. Don't let anybody, person money, person things to enter your eye. Because now all those things, they bring those small fish brain. If I form my kidnap now, they'll bring this money, this church money, or they go donate for me. And let me, now it cost. You see, maybe enough you join the fake miracle, fake prophecy, then you need to do that one. You see? I'll see you in my next video. I beg, don't forget to drop your own opinion on my children. Don't come back. I need to go attend to them. Children, when you go to school this morning, they just come back. Let me go and join them. Oh, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to drop your own opinion. How are you, my love? How are you doing? Welcome back.
Now everybody go to breakfast.